Welcome to this video on Python continuous statement. In this subsection, you will learn what is continuous statement, syntax and flow diagram of continuous statement, how to use continuous statement to solve problems and write Python programs, and when to use continuous statement and some example applications of continuous statements. Let us start with what is continuous statement. So it is a statement that makes the loop to skip the rest of its body and immediately retest its condition for next iteration. Say for example, here is a flowchart of loop with continuous statement. Continuous statement is always used with either for loop or while loop. Here is a loop condition. Condition is true, then it goes within the body of the loop. Here condition with a continuous statement and block of statements are given. If this condition is true, then continuous statement is executed and it will continue with the next iteration of the loop. Again, if condition is true, comes within the loop, and if this condition is false, then only this block of statements are executed. Otherwise, this block of statements are skipped. This is how the continuous statement works. So here we can see that when a loop faces a continuous statement, it do not execute the remaining statements within the loop. So over here, if this condition is true, then continuous statement is executed, then this block of statements are not executed. It will directly continue the execution of the loop with the next iteration. And when this condition is false, it will come out from the loop. So here is a syntax of continuous statement with for loop. So this is a syntax of for loop we have already seen. And now this is a if condition, and if condition is true, then continue. Means continue with the next iteration of for loop, and if this condition is false, then this continuous statement is not executed. It will execute the statements of this for loop after this particular condition, that is these statements are executed, and if this condition is true, then these statements are skipped from execution. And here is a syntax of continuous statement with while loop. While condition, statements before continue. Here condition is given and this condition is true, then continue with the next iteration and skip execution of this statement. And if condition is false, then continue is not executed, then these statements within the while loop will be executed. Now let us learn how we can use continuous statement in Python programming. So here is a problem 1. Write a program to print a string character by character without special characters, comma and space. So here is a message string, hi everyone, with 1 comma and 2 white space and 1 question mark. But here we want to skip the printing of this comma and these 2 white space. Here is a for loop. It will take characters one by one from this string, and here it checks if the character is comma or character is white space, then print this message skipping the character, that is comma and this, and continue with the next character. If the character is not comma or this, means if we have a H, I or EVE, then print the characters. If we don't have that character, then skip them. Now let us run this program. So here we can see that character H, H, I are printed, right? Means here these are printed. That time this message is not displayed, means this condition is false, then this particular block of statements are not executed and continuous statement is not executed. But when we find that there is a comma or this white space, that time this statement is executed and it has continued with the next iteration. Hence this message character is here, it is not printed anywhere, right? And same way here at the end also we have a white space, so we have it is skipping the execution, means it has executed this statement within the loop and then it has continued the execution of the program, and finally it has printed the question mark. Now let us see how we can use continuous statement to solve this problem. Second problem, write a program to add numbers which are not divisible by 5. Say for example, we have a list of numbers from 1 up to 20, and here in this particular list 5, 10 and 15 are the numbers divisible by 5 in this particular list, and we can check whether the number is divisible by 5 or not using modulo operator like this. If n mod 5 is equal to, then number is divisible by 5. Here is a program to add numbers 1 up to 10 by skipping the numbers which are divisible by 5. So in this particular sequence of numbers 1 up to 10, there are two numbers, that is 5 and 10. So these numbers should be skipped. So this particular loop will generate a numbers from 1 up to 10 and it will take numbers one by one from this sequence, and here it checks that number n mod 5 is equal to 0, then print a message and continue with the next iteration. Means skip processing or skip adding that particular number, that is 5 and 10, and if number is not divisible by then print that number and add that number to the sum, right? And here we have initialized sum is equal to 1. Now let us run this program. So here we can see that 1 2 3 4 5, and when the number is 5, then this particular message means number is divisible by 5, then it has printed this message and skipping n is equal to 5 and continue with the next iteration. But if 6 7 8, then that numbers are printed and that numbers are added, and finally number 10, that is last number, is also skipped. So this is how we can use continue statement to solve problems and write Python program. Now say for example here the same program using while loop. We are generating sequence of numbers. We have initialized a control variable I and sum is equal to 0, and here is a while loop. Earlier program we have a for loop. So only difference is we are having a while loop over here. In other previous case we had a for loop, and otherwise the process is similar. Here only we need is increment of control variable I, otherwise the logic is similar. Now let us see when to use continue statement. It is useful when we have to skip processing statement or a group of statements when some condition is true and continue with the next iteration, like the two examples we have seen over here. One is skipping the special characters and other we are skipping the number which are divisible by 5. So if we have to keep processing some statements or some data item, then in those scenarios we can use continue statement. And here are some example applications of continue statement. Say for example we want to add only prime numbers from a given list of numbers, then we will skip adding all those numbers which are not prime. So here also we can use continue. And if say for example we want to count vowels from a string, say these are the vowels, and here we will be skipping all the characters other than this. This is all about Python continue statement. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great time.